In order to build a bare bones modern concrete fire pit for under $80, you'll need the following as shown in the photo with the prices. In order to build a slightly safer bare bones modern concrete fire pit for under $110, you'll need the following. The only difference between the two is how high you want the perimeter of the fire pit to be. In our case, we wanted ours to be slightly higher so that kids wouldn't fall into the pit as easily. The dimensions for this fire pit will be 48 inches by 48 inches on the outside and 32 inches by 32 inches on the inside. The height will be 20 inches. So we will just have under 89 gallons worth of volume to work with for our fires. First, you're going to want to clear out an area in the ground for your fire pit. There's a lot of clay where we live, so we only dug down about 6 inches. We then filled the pit twice with water to loosen up the ground and then poured our paver base and paver sand in to help level our foundation, which will be the endcaps. You may also have to dig out a bit as you go, but it is very important to make sure that the foundation is level as possible. After that, you're going to stagger the concrete bricks so that the joints are not on top of one another. You may have asked earlier, why did we dig down? Well, once we get the concrete blocks on as shown, we're going to start filling them in with dirt to give them more stability and some natural heat dissipation. One important thing to note is to figure out which way the winds blow in your area and make sure that you have vents as shown here, which is just a concrete blurt turned on its side, so that you have excellent airflow in and out from multiple directions while still protecting the fire when it's starting. Once all the blocks are stacked, you simply need to put the remaining end caps on the top, and that is it. You're ready to start your fire. One question that I got about this fire pit was why we didn't use mortar or fire bricks. Mortar makes the structure permanent, and we didn't want something that couldn't be taken down. Fire bricks are expensive, and concrete is significantly cheaper by comparison, and will serve our purpose as a fire pit better. This isn't meant to be a blast furnace or a kennel or even a forge. We have to tailor our project to our needs and go from there, making concrete the only viable option for a low-cost project that works just as well. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, consider liking the video. Leave us feedback in the form of a comment if you have any questions, concerns, complaints, or compliments. If you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to see more footage like this. Till next time, stay safe.